Really happy to welcome Patrick Mervin and Pradeep Chauhan. Congratulations, Jitu Mubarak. I knew you were going to win a race with a grade today. You had several options. It wasn't Berg, it was this one. Congratulations. What does it feel to win here at the Champ de Mars? And can you explain to us how it happened for you today?
It's a long time after 8 rides. This is the 8th one I won. I tried hard to win some races, but I couldn't. This was lucky for me, and it was a great ride for me. I really feel very, very happy. It's a good experience for me.
You had to fight for it, but he seemed to give a great effort.
Yeah, the horse he gave a good response to me. Taking little time to come to the stride, but once he came to the stride, it was very nice. It was moving quite comfortable.
How much do you hear the crowd when you're pushing your horse?
I couldn't hear the crowd today because my whole concentration was on to winning the race, so I couldn't hear that. But other races I've heard, the public is really crazy about this game over here, and they give more respect to this game, I think.
Congratulations, that was a brilliant ride.
I will say one thing is, it's the first horse he rode on Friday morning, no? Friday morning here. It's the first horse he rode, and he went out, and I could see he had a good hand, and the horse was relaxing with him, because the horse can be a bit difficult. It was relaxing, I say, Manuel. And I told him just before the race, that's going to be your first win here.
I can vouch for this because on en a parlé avec Patrick Mervin avant. Je me souviens que vous me l'aviez dit et que vous étiez très confiant. Vous avez dit ce jockey-là est bien sérieux et il a une bonne main. Je me souviens. What will you tell people when you go back to India about this little island here in the middle of the Indian Ocean?
I feel really good. I will definitely tell people they should come. Even my boys also, I'll tell them to try and come and ride over here. But it's a great experience for all of our boys. I'll definitely tell my boys to come and ride over here.
Well, we definitely hope to welcome you back here in Mauritius. I shouldn't say we because I'm technically not Mauritian, but coming here year after year, I really feel like this is an experience as many people should experience in the world. Thank you very much. Dernier petit mot, les courses sont pas finies pour vous?
Oui, j'ai encore deux pardons. Mais là, je pense qu'on va tomber contre un Scott Knock des grands jours. Et je crois que c'est Maxime Guillon qui le monte. Qui est en
Maxime des grands jours?
Oui, exactement, est en forme. Ça va être très, très dur pour nous. Ah ben, si on peut être placé, ça va être bien. Non, on est content pour cette course-là. On était assez c'était positif. Et ben, ça a été comme prévu. Il a suivi les instructions à la lettre. Il a très bien monté son cheval. Et comme je disais, il avait monté ça vendredi matin. J'étais vraiment confiant pour cette victoire. Et de la victoire, du reste, je vais dédier ça à Karine, qui a passé une très mauvaise semaine cette semaine-ci, vraiment une très mauvaise semaine. C'est à toi, ça, Karine.
Karine, on pense bien à vous. Et puis, on le redit jamais assez, mais on voit que la patience et le travail, ça paye aux courses.